I'm Chef Johnny Hernandez of La Gloria Restaurant in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm going to show you how we make our jalapeno and cheese tamales. For your jalapeno and cheese tamal, we have our fresh jalapenos that have been seeded and cut into strips. We have our queso fresco. We have our banana leaves, hoja de plátano, and our masa, prepared masa. First step, we have to prepare our leaves. Okay, so we prepare our leaves by cleaning them, cutting them to about 12 by 12, 10 by 12. So now that you have your banana leaf ready, your masa can be a off-the-shelf type of corn flour. You will, we use fresh ground corn in the restaurant. It's about, we use about 2.5 ounces of masa. Put it in the center of your banana leaf. Okay. And you're really forming a square, kind of a rectangle, same shape of your banana leaf. All right, so now that you have your masa center kind of in this rectangle, put a couple pieces of queso fresco and a couple strips of your fresh jalapeno. All right, and you want to seal that just like that. Okay. We use fresh ground corn masa in the restaurant. If you're going to take something off the store shelf, make sure you season it well. You incorporate a little bit of vegetable shortening, maybe a little baking powder. Just got to follow that recipe because the masa is a very key part of the flavor and the finished product. So now we're going to go into our double boiler. Okay, so your tamal will probably take about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how many you put in the pan. We only had a couple of these in our double boiler, so it cooked pretty quick. These took maybe 20 minutes. And this has been Chef Johnny Hernandez, and this is how we make our jalapeno and cheese tamales.